Oriental College of Technology, Professor Kamlesh Kumar Sahu, Department of Basic Science, Subject Mathematics, Topic Matrix. The characteristic equation: if A is any square matrix of order n, B can form of the matrix A minus lambda I, where I is the unit matrix and order of n. A minus lambda, the characteristic equation of the matrix A minus lambda I equal to 0. The principal diagonal subtract the lambda. The determinant of the matrix is equal to 0. That is called a characteristic equation of the matrix minus 1 की power n lambda की power n plus k 1 lambda n minus 1 plus k 2 lambda n minus 2 that dash up to k of n equal to 0. Expanding the determinant of B gate, where k is the expressible in the term of element I and j. The root of the equation are called a characteristic equation root of the latent root of eigenvalue of a matrix. The eigenvalue vectors. Consider a linear transformation y equal to a of x, which transformation of the column vector x into the column vector y be often required to find those vector x which are transferred into a scalar multiplication of themselves. Let x be such a vector which transform into lambda x by the transform 1 y equal to lambda of x equation 2. Then from equation 1 and 2, ax equal to lambda x, then a minus lambda I x equal to 0. Now a minus lambda I x equal to 0, equation 3. Then the matrix equation is a homogeneous linear equation. For example, these equation will have a non-trivial solution only if the coefficient of matrix A minus lambda I is a singular. If A minus lambda I equal to 0, then corresponding of to each root of 5 we get homogeneous system has a non-zero solutions. For example, x equal to x1, x2, x3 that dash up to x4 is called a eigenvector of the matrix. Property of a eigenvalue. First, the sum of the eigenvalue of the matrix is the sum of the element or the principal diagonal. Second, the product of eigenvalue of the matrix A is equal to its determinant. Third, lambda is a eigenvalue of the matrix and A, capital A, then 1 by A is the eigenvalue of A inverse. Fourth, if lambda is a eigenvalue of a orthogonal matrix, then 1 by lambda is the also eigenvalue. Property: if lambda 1, lambda 2 that dash up to lambda n are a eigenvalue of A, then first k lambda 1, k lambda 2 that dash up to k lambda n are a eigenvalue of the matrix K of A, where k is the non-zero scalar. For example, 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2 are a eigenvalue of the inverse matrix of A inverse. Then third, lambda 1 की power p, lambda 2 की power p, that dash up to are the eigenvalue of a की power p, where p is the any positive integer. Proof. Then lambda r be a eigenvalue of a and x r be a corresponding eigenvectors ax equal to lambda x. Then by the definition of multiplication both sides by k. Now k lambda is the eigenvalue of k of a and the corresponding eigenvector is the same that of ai. Pre-multiplication both sides of ax and equal to lambda ax or y, then a inverse both sides multiply y, then ar equal to lambda x. Now ax equal to 1 by lambda ax. Hence 1 by lambda is the eigenvalue of a inverse. The corresponding eigenvector is the same as that of. Now pre-multiplication both sides ax equal to lambda x y, then ax equal to ai. Both sides multiply by a. For example, similarly we can prove that aq equal to x equal to lambda x q, where p is the any positive integer. Hence lambda p is the any eigenvalue of ap and their corresponding eigenvector is the same. A matrix A is singular if and only if 0 is a eigenvalue of A. Problems. Find the sum and product of the eigenvalue of their matrix A equal to, for example, without finding any eigenvalue. Sum of the eigenvalue of A equal to sum of the diagonal elements. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 0, then minus 1. The product of eigenvalue of A equal to 45. A equal to 2 eigenvalue of the matrix A equal to are equal to 1 each of. Find the third eigenvalue. Let A be the third eigenvalue of A, since sum of the eigenvalue equal to sum of the diagonal elements. 1 plus 1 equal to A, 2 plus 3 plus 2. A equal to 5. There are third eigenvalue of A is 5. The product of two eigenvalue of the matrix A equal to, for example, 16. Find the third eigenvalue. Let be the third eigenvalue of A, since the product of the two eigenvalue determinant of A, 16A equal to, then A equal to 2. Now find the sum of the eigenvalue of the inverse A equal to, for example, the eigenvalue of the lower triangle matrix A is 1 minus 3 2, then the eigenvalue of A inverse are 1 1 by 3 1 by 2, then sum is 7 by 6. Sum of the eigenvalue of A inverse is 7 by 6. If A equal to, find the eigenvalue of 3A, A inverse and 2A inverse. The eigenvalue of A 2 minus 1 4, the eigenvalue of 3A 3 by 2, then 6 minus 3 and 12. The eigenvalue of A inverse of 1 by 2 1 by minus 1 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 4. The eigenvalue of 2A inverse are this minus 1 2 minus 1 by 2. These equations are